Conditional operator. What is meant by conditional operator? The conditional operator is question mark and then colon. That means here we have to represent, suppose if we can take expression 1 as a question mark, then you can take expression 2 as a result and expression 3 as the result. That is a semicolon. That means here what is the expression 1 means? The expression 1 is the question mark. That means we can say it is the condition, right? For this condition is that true, then I can choose the expression 2 as a result. Whenever the condition is a true, then I can choose the expression 2 as a result. Suppose condition 1 is a false. The condition 1 is a false, then I can choose expression 3 as a result. That is the conditional operator. Means you can say, simply state that if it is a true, then I can execute the true block. If it is a false, I can execute the false block. That means if it is the expression 1, right, then else is the, if it is a true means expression 2 will be executed. If it is a false, the colon is the else part, then I can choose the expression 3. Clear? That means the conditional operator is nothing but question mark and then colon. Question mark is nothing but whenever the expression 1 is a true, then I can execute the expression 2. If it is a false, I can execute the expression 3. Suppose for example, suppose C equal to A greater than B. C equal to A greater than B, question mark, then A colon B, semicolon. What is the meaning? If the A greater than B is a true means I can take the result as A. Suppose if A greater than B is a false means I can take the result as a B. That's all. Now what is the output of C means? Depending on the condition. If it is a true means the output is the A. If it is a false means the output is the B. This type of operator is called as a conditional operator. That is a question mark and then colon. We can simply say expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 semicolon. Means expression 1 is always a condition. Based on this condition, either you have to select expression 2 or we have to select expression 3. This is the conditional operators. Clear? Next, assignment operator. The next one is the assignment operator. What is meant by assignment operator? The assignment operator is the equal. Assignment operator is a equal. What is the need of this assignment operator? Means it will be assign the value from right side into left side. Means it will be assigns the value right from right side into left side. That means A equal to 5 means the value of 5 is assigned to the variable A. That is the need of assignment operator. By using the assignment operator, we can represent the some shorthand notation also. Suppose A plus equal to 5 means, what is the meaning this one? A equal to A plus 5. Like that we have to perform. Right? This is the expression. The result of this expression again is assigned to the variable A. Right? This is the assignment operator. And the next one is increment or decrement operator. The next one is increment or decrement operator. What is meant by increment or decrement operator? Means the value is incremented by 1. The value is either incremented or decremented by 1. That operator is called as a increment or decrement. Right? Now what is the increment operator? Increment operator is the plus plus. Decrement operator is the minus minus. That means for example, if we can take A value is a 1 means, if we can represent A plus is nothing but, right? A plus is nothing but A equal to A plus 1. What is the A value? 1. Means 1 plus 1 means now A value become 2. That means the value is incremented by 1. Otherwise the value is decremented by 1. That is the increment or decrement operator. Here we have the two types of increment operator. We have the, first I will see the increment operator, right? Increment. The increment operation can perform in two ways. One is pre-increment. Another one is post-increment. What is meant by pre-increment? What is meant by post-increment? Pre-increment means we can represent first operator and operand. Post-increment means first operand and then operator. Are you clear? What is meant by pre means before. First we have to perform the increment of the particular variable. Post increment means first we have to assign the value, after that we can perform the increment. Clear? Pre means first operator and then operand. Post means first operand and then operator. That means first operator and then variable, first variable and then operator. Now what is the difference between pre and post increment means? In pre-increment, first the increment will be happen. Right? After that the value is assigned. Means what is the incremented value? That value is assigned to the expression. I will tell the one example. Now what is meant by post increment? Means here first the value is assigned. After that it will increment. Clear? What is meant by pre means first it will be perform the increment operation. Now what is the increased value? That value is assigned to the expression. That is the pre-increment. Post-increment means first what is the value of A? That value is assigned to the particular expression. After that it will be incremented. Suppose simply I will explain one example. Suppose I can take, I can declare the one variable, suppose I. Suppose what is the initial I value is a 1. Right? Now I can take the one expression C equal to plus I. Now what is the value of C? Means here plus I is nothing but it is the pre-increment. What is meant by pre-increment? Pre-increment is nothing but first the value is increased. What is the value of I? I is nothing but value is a 1. Means what is meant by increment? Increment is nothing but the value is added by the 1, incremented by the 1. Now plus I means already I value is a 1, right? Now plus 1 means now I value become 2. Means the same position the I value is replaced by the 2. Now this assigned after the incrementation the value is assigned. That means now the value of C is 2. Clear? Suppose for the same. Now again I can take same one I value, suppose some J value, right? Now J value is the 1. Same I can take one more expression, suppose D equal to I plus. D equal to suppose J plus. I can take J, right? J plus. Now what is the value of D? Here value of D is 1. How means? It is a post increment. What is meant by post increment? Post increment means first the value is assigned. Which value? What is the value of J now? The J value is a 1, right? This value is assigned to the particular expression. Means now D value is a 1. After that it will be perform the increment. Now the J value become clear. Either pre-increment or post-increment, the increment will be happen. Then when it will be happen means if it is a pre-increment means first the value is increased. The increased value is assigned to the expression. Whereas in post-increment, first the value of the particular variable will be assigned. After that the value is incremented. That is the difference between pre-increment and then post-increment. That is the same for decrement also. That is the pre-decrement or post-decrement. Clear? Okay. That is the increment or decrement operator. Means decrement is nothing but we can decrement the value. That means minus minus a, then a minus minus. Post decrement, pre decrement. First value is decreased. That again value is assigned. Post decrement, first value is assigned and then it will be decided. Suppose I will explain the one example. The definition is same. For the explaining, suppose c equal to a minus minus. Suppose d equal to minus minus b. Suppose I can take a value is a 6, b value is a 4. Now what is the value of c? A minus minus means post decrement. Post decrement means first assign the value of a. What is the value of a? 6. That will be assigned to the c. Now value of c is the 6. Now after that it will be perform the decrement operation. Now a value become 5. Means after assignment it will be performing the decrement operation. Suppose here we can see. Here we can see what is the b value? 4 minus minus b. That means it is a pre-decrement. Pre-decrement means first it will be perform the decrement operation. What is the which value? B value. What is the b value? 4. If it is a decrement, it means what is the value? 3. This 3 value is assigned to the d. Now d value become 3. Are you clear? What is meant by increment? What is meant by decrement? What is meant by pre and post increment? What is meant by pre-decrement and then post decrement? Okay. And the next one operator, the last operator is the comma operator. Sorry, special operators. The last operator is special operator. What are the special operators we have? The special operator is size of. That is the one operator. Another operator is the comma operator. Another one is the ampersand operator. What is the need of size of operator means? If you want to means in previous class I already explained what is meant by data type. Means data type is nothing but what type of data we can store as well as how much space it will be occupied, right? How much space. That space if you want to show means by using the size of operator. Suppose print, for example, int a I can declare. Suppose if I can display printf %d comma size of a. What is meant by size of means it will be display what is the size is occupied by the variable a. That means it will be show the output as 2 bytes. It will be show the output as 2 bytes. So because it is a integer means the size of a is a 2 bytes. That is the need of size of operator. And comma operator. What is the need of comma operator? By using the comma operator I can separate more than one variable. That is the comma operator, right? I can separate more than one variable. And address or ampersand. It is also called as a address operator. It is also called as a address operator. Means here I have declared the 3 variables, right? Where the particular variable will be stored, where the particular variable b will be stored, where the particular variable c will be stored. Then I want to display means printf %u. Why I can using the unsigned means so u is nothing but unsigned integer. Means always the address location is greater than the size of integer. That's why I can using the %u. Then address of a means what is the address of a? Thus particular address location will be displayed. Suppose 3 something or some address will be displayed. That means if you want to display any address location of the particular variable, then you can using the address operator. But the format thing is the unsigned integer only you have to use. Right? These are all called as a special operators. Clear? I hope everyone should understood what is meant by operators. What are the different operators we have and how we can using all those operators. Right? If you have any doubts or you need any clarifications, please comment in the comment sections. Thank you.